y'all, it's BusyBeeMama here, and I just wanted to make a video about my intermittent fasting. I started officially, I guess you could say, about 2 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago, I was working out, and let's be honest, I got lazy. And so I'm trying the fasting. I do the 16-8, so I fast for 16 and I eat within 8 hours. But I wanted to read you the official definition of intermittent fasting. It's an umbrella term for various meal timing schedules that cycle between voluntary fasting and non-fasting over a given period. 3 methods of intermittent fasting are alternate day fasting, periodic fasting, and daily time restricted feeding. So I generally I'll eat between noon and 8 o'clock at night. I don't eat breakfast. I'll have my lunch at noon, and then I eat dinner around 6, 7 o'clock normally. And then once 8 o'clock hits, I don't eat at all. So, you've normally heard the doctor say don't eat past 8 o'clock, and it's just because it's harder for your digestive system to digest all the food in your body while you're sleeping. So, I've been doing that for, like I said, 2 weeks, and I tried to keep track of my weight. So, February 27th, I was 169, March 11th I went to 170, and March 17th I was still 170. So, to be honest, I'm a little skeptical. I don't know exactly how well this is going to work. I may just have to stop being a lazy butt and work out. But as for now, I'm giving it a shot. I know I'm not going to see results just overnight. So, I'm not just super ignorant to the whole thing, but I guess I'm kind of doing an experiment to see how well it does help. So how I've been feeling, physically wise, energy wise, mentally wise. So far, I'm tired, hungry, a little anxious, I guess you could say. I'm the type of person that will eat while I'm just playing on my phone or watching TV. It's just hand to mouth type situation. I just have to be doing something with my mouth. So that's my biggest problem, is when we're watching TV or I'm just sitting there playing on my phone, I want to snack, and I try to stop myself as much as possible. So I'm also a sugar addict, and I love my sugar. To be honest, so Oreos, I'll go through a row in a night, and there's like 3 rows in a mega stuff container. Yeah, that's what I do, and that's not good. Oreos in general are not good, and then to sit there and eat the whole row in a night, it's awful. But I have been doing a lot better on my sweets, I will say that. And during the last 2 weeks of trying to refrain from eating as many sweets, I noticed that when I do eat something, I don't feel very good afterwards. So I just have to remember that every time I get that craving, I need to remember, hey, this is probably not going to make you feel pretty good afterwards. So, anyways, the whole point of this video, while I'm getting out of breath just talking to you guys, it's awful. The point is, it's a journey. It's a little experiment, I guess you could say, and you guys will kind of be holding me accountable, all 5 of you at the moment. So it'll be fun. If you guys like these type of videos, let me know. If you don't like these type of videos, let me know. It's really just something I'm doing in my life that I don't mind sharing, and I want to share for the accountability. So, if you're doing intermittent fasting, please talk to me. Like, let's share the hunger, because I'm hungry. I'm still in, the hungry part of it. But I plan on checking in probably every 2 weeks. I'll do a weight check-in. I want to, honestly, 15 pounds would be ideal for me. Now, I've had a baby. That was 1.5 years ago. And I know baby weight's tough to get off. I'm also not working out like I should be. So anyways, I plan on doing some more research. I'd like to know when the hunger stage kind of dissipates. I'd like to know when I'm going to have more energy and not be so fatigued, I guess you could say, for having all the bad things exit. Not like I'm just eating completely healthy, but it's gonna be pointless. But you know what? We're gonna do it together. I hope I'm not the only one. So anyways, I just wanted to get this video out there. I'm definitely gonna be posting more clean with me videos. My house is not too dirty at the moment. I mean, I'm sure there's things that need deep cleaning. Not in the mood. You know what? I need to go watch some Love Meg and get some deep clean motivation. Honestly. Especially with the sickness going on. So, yeah. Whatever you guys would like to see, leave me a comment below. That would be wonderful. I could use a lot more friends. I have about this many. So, anyways, I'm hoping to get a video out on Friday, I think is the next time I wanted to put one out. I can't remember. I put it down in my planner because I'm trying to take this as serious as possible. Every time I've started a YouTube, I quit after the first or second video, and that's not what I want to do this time. I kind of had a little epiphany. I've always been so scared and so shy, but why? It's my life, and I'm only here for only God knows when. So why not just do whatever I want to do? Because to be a YouTuber like Love Meg would be my absolute dream. Like, I just want her to be my best friend, and I want all of you to be my best friend. So anyways, I got off on a tangent there. Leave me a comment. Let's talk. I live in a small town. I don't do much. So anyways, I will see you guys probably on Friday or tomorrow. Can't remember. Whenever I just show up in your subscription box. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.